Mortgage Guy here. Wanted to record a quick video because I had a conversation earlier with somebody that told me every time I talk to home buyers and I ask them how it's going, they say I'm nervous or I'm scared or this is difficult. And it kind of saddens me because the home buying process should be one where you're excited. It should be an amazingly exciting time, especially if you're buying your first house. But even if it's your second or third, it should be something that you're excited about, not nervous or scared. And here's something that I'll tell you that should provide some peace of mind. If you're working with a really quality lender, and I've even heard this from my clients where we're a week in, hey Matt, do you think we're gonna get this approved? You think we're gonna get this loan? Well, of course we are. We've done our due diligence up front and we've pre-approved you to where there's no doubt. We've got your verification of employment. We know what the underwriter is going to use for income. We've seen your credit report. We've done our due diligence. The only way your loan's not closing is if you quit your job, you go gamble all the money that's sitting in your bank account that's going to be used for down payment, something to that effect. But as is, we've done the work to say, yes, you're pre-approved, put in an offer, we can get this loan to the finish line. So personally, me and my team, I think last time we looked at numbers, the pull-through rate, meaning submitted a loan, started a loan, to closed a loan, was ridiculously high, 99.6%. And it's not to brag, but it's just that we've done the work up front. So the only reason loans fall out is if something changes. And 2020 is a great example where beyond our control, things can change. Programs can get pulled and lenders no longer offer these programs, or people can lose their jobs because of a pandemic, worldwide pandemic. So things do happen, but know that if you're working with the right people and you've done the proper job, providing all the documents, being truthful in your application and what you've told your lender about if there's any foreclosures, if there's any bankruptcies, if anything that didn't show up, then you should not be worried. Your loan is gonna be completed and you should be excited. You should be focused on getting your documents in as soon as possible when the lender needs them, but getting excited and enjoying it because buying real estate is fun. I've done it lots of times and I enjoy it every single time. So any questions at all about that, please feel free to reach out. But more than anything, go out there, buy real estate, enjoy doing it. Don't be nervous, get properly pre-approved, work with a great team so that there's no stress. You're just excited. Until next time.